Thank you very much.
I know we have pressure of time. I'll be extremely brief. And I want to say, Your Excellency, Honorable Speaker, Honorable members of the County Assembly, advisors, CCMs present, chief officers, and directors present. Your Excellency, with your indulgence, allow me to say two things. And one, Your Excellency, I welcome you to this great ground where a short while ago you laid a foundation stone. Your Excellency, what was not achieved in those many, many years, you have achieved it inside 2 years. Congratulations, Your Excellency. As they took you through, Your Excellency, on the designs, Your Excellency, I marveled and said, what a wonderful state-of-the-art building that will truly stand the test of time. A wonderful piece of architecture, Your Excellency. When the history of this county, Your Excellency, is written, and with this piece of architecture around, Your Excellency, you will truly take the first pages of that history in this county. Secondly and lastly, without much ado, Your Excellency, allow me to request all present as I invite you to address us. Karibu, Your Excellency.